Welcome. Let's go ahead and start the most exciting part for our course. So this is the time when we are going to write unit test in our project. So this can be any project, any Java Spring Boot project or Maven project where we want to write the unit test. So let's say we have this project which is property management system, and this has certain functionalities. It has some Java classes, some controller classes, converter, DTO, entity, repository, service. And we want to write the code quality or the unit test for them. So let's go ahead and start applying what we have learned so far. So let's say I would like to go ahead and write the unit test for this class, which is my calculator controller. This is a simple REST controller class. It has a method like this: get mapping, which it has an add method which takes two parameters. Then it has a subtract method which takes two parameters, and then multiply method. So let's go ahead and head back to our package where we want to write the test. So when you open source, you see two folders, main and test. Main is where you basically write your source code or the actual code, business logic, functionality by following a package structure like here: com dot your company name dot your project name, and then you create packages for your different layers: controller, service, repository, converter, DTO, entity. There can be many more. And inside the source main, you also keep your property files and resources here. But when we want to write a test, the interesting folder is source test. And here we will also have a package. So now we have to go inside this package and create corresponding packages that we have here. So let's say I want to write the test for controllers. So I would like to create a new package here called controller on the test package. Source test Java and then the package. Similarly, we have here source main Java and the package. So we will create a similar structure here. So we'll say controller. Then we have to write the test for converter, DTO, entity. So whenever we would like to write the test, we will create the corresponding package. But now it's time to create one simple test. Remember, if you are using Spring Boot and you have created your project from a Spring Initializer, then it automatically adds the dependency needed for writing JUnit 5 and Mockito test cases. If you go to pom.xml file, there will be already a dependency added, and this dependency is called this Spring Boot starter test. And this dependency provides us all the dependencies that we need from JUnit 5 and Mockito to write our test. So we don't have to add any extra dependency. So now that we know that the dependency with us is available and we have created the package, in the next video we are going to create our first test class. So let's go ahead and continue in the next video. Thank you.